Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 10, the magic stick. Join the dots and color your magic stick. So you have to do trace on this given, and afterwards you have to do color in the pencil as given in the textbook. Okay. Jumbo is a baby elephant. You can see the elephant name is Jumbo. Okay, and he has a long trunk. So you can see that its trunk is long. He loves eating mango, guava, and banana. What he like? To eat mango, guava, and banana that hang from the branches. Sometimes he is very naughty. So sometimes what the Jumbo is doing? Jumbo is hanging from the branches. Okay. One day Jumbo see an open window. He peeps into the house. There he sees something bright lying on the table. So one day Jumbo see a open window. One house is there, and in that window is open. So what he see inside the house? He sees that something bright lying on the table, but Jumbo don't know what it is. Afterwards, it is a big red and blue color. What is the color of the pencil? You can see in the picture, and it is blue, red. Okay, red, blue and red pencil. I wonder what it is. Jumbo is thinking that what it is, but Jumbo don't know that what it is. Looking at it, he asks himself. Jumbo likes this colorful stick. Jumbo don't know it is a pencil, but he is thinking that it is a colorful stick. He looks around. No one is watching him. Means Jumbo is looking here and there, but no one is watching him. So he puts his long trunk inside and take the pencil. See, here Jumbo is watching that anybody is not watching him or not. And afterwards what he is doing? He, with the help of the long trunk, he is putting his trunk into that window and taking that pencil. He looks at it. He puts the pencil in his mouth and tastes it. Jumbo don't know that what it is. So what he is doing? He is taking that pencil from that inside the window, and afterwards he is trying to taste it. Means he is putting that pencil in mouth and taste it. Yuck! He cries, taking the pencil out of his mouth. It's tasted bad. So here Jumbo is putting that pencil in his mouth, but afterwards the taste is not good, and afterwards because of that he is crying. That taste is bad. He does not know what to do with the pencil. Means elephant don't know that what is the use of the pencil, right? So suddenly he has an idea. I can break fruits from the branches high up, he thinks. So now he is thinking that it is not good in taste, but I have an idea that I will use that stick to break the fruits from the branches. Okay, he uses the pencil to break fruits. As he then eat guava, banana, and many other fruits. So with the help of that pencil, what he is doing? He is breaking fruits. Okay, like guava, bananas, and many other fruits. He eat till he can eat no more. This stick is very useful. Now he is thinking that this stick is very useful because he can able to break fruits. Okay, I am going to keep it. Now he is thinking that I will keep this stick with me only. After eating the fruits, his stomach is full. Now see, with the help of that stick, he is eating fruits as much as he can eat. Okay, and now his stomach is full. Now he looks for some fun. He sees a monkey eating a banana. Jumbo taps his hand with the pencil. Now you see that now his stomach is full. Now what he will do? Now he is thinking to do fun with the others. So he sees a monkey eating a banana. One monkey is there and monkey is eating banana. So now Jumbo taps his hand with the pencil. This scares the monkey. He runs away. So who is running? Monkey is running away because he is scared. Then he sees a mouse nibbling a nut. Now you can see the mouse is there and it's nibbling the nut. Jumbo tickles his tail with the pencil. Now what he is doing? It's tickling means just pointing the tail with the pencil. So the mouse dropped the nut and run away. This way he is doing trouble to other animals and doing mischief like that. Trouble means they are doing mischief. Jumbo find it very funny. He laughs loudly. Now what to do? Jumbo thinks. Just then he sees a beehive. He thinks of another idea. He taps the beehive with the pencil. As he does this, many bees booze out. Means the Jumbo is tapping that beehive with the pencil. So as he taps the beehive with the pencil, many bees coming out from that beehive, and the bees are angry. Now what happened? Jumbo taps the pencil in the beehive. Now all the bees are angry and sting Jumbo's. What the bees done? Bees come and sting the Jumbo. Now Jumbo cries loudly, "Help! Help!" Hearing his cry, the other animals run to help him. See here. Now bees came, and when they sting, at that time elephant is crying and loudly speaking that help, help, but no one is there at that time. But afterwards, here, when they hear cry of the other, hearing him cry, the other animals run to help him. When Jumbo is in trouble at that time, he is speaking help, help. At that time, when other animals hearing the cry of Jumbo, at that time other animals came and helped him. They throw mud on him. So what they had done? Other animals throw mud on elephant. Some shout loudly, roll on the floor. Some said that you just roll on the floor. Floor means on the ground. So Jumbo does what the animals tell him to do. So afterwards Jumbo is following whatever advice is given from the other animals. So other animals have thrown mud on him. Afterwards other animals said that you roll on the floor. Floor means ground. So Jumbo is doing whatever other animals are giving advice. The bees soon fly away. A crying Jumbo runs home to his mother. Now Jumbo is running through his mother. Why are you crying? Who is asking this? Ask his mother. Mother is asking that why you crying? Jumbo tells her the story. So now Jumbo is telling whole the story that what happened with him. So he also tells her about the colorful stick. Go and put the stick back. Now mother is telling that she says scolding him, means when if you buy something from anybody at that time your mother is also scolding. In the same way elephant mother also scolded him and tell him to put that stick back and never again take anything that does not belong to you. Means if our thing is not there, then we don't have to touch anything which does not belongs to us. Okay, take Jumbo the pencil and put it back on the table. From wherever he took the pencil, he went back there and putting that pencil back on the table. Just then a boy come running into the room. He looks at the pencil and say, "This is the pencil I have been looking for." Means he was searching in his house that where is his pencil, but at that time it is with Jumbo, so he is not able to find his pencil. So when he went back in his room, at that time he find his pencil in his room. Quickly the boy picks up the pencil. He goes into the garden and begins to draw. Now pencil is with him now. So what he is doing, that little boy? That boy is taking that pencil and running in his garden and start to draw. He draw a picture of an elephant. What he is making picture? Elephant picture he is making. Jumbo is scared. He thinks it is a magic stick that tells who has stolen it. Means now Jumbo is watching that boy is making picture of an elephant. So at that time Jumbo is scared. That what is this? It is a magic stick. He thinks it is a magic stick that tells who has stolen it. Feeling sorry for picking up the stick. Means now Jumbo is feeling sorry Jumbo says himself. Never again I am going to take anything that does not belongs to me. Means it is not use of elephant, right? It is useful to the boy, because elephant can't do anything with that pencil, but it is useful to the boy that he is using that pencil to draw the picture. Okay, then with a smile on his face, Jumbo walks back home. So in the last, he is watching that boy is drawing the picture with the pencil, that magic stick. So afterwards, he smiled on his face and Jumbo went back to his home. Okay, so students, don't touch anything which does not belong to you. If your thing is there, then you can touch, but if it is not here, then you don't have to touch. Okay, so here chapter ends, and I will show you answer key of this chapter, means exercise of this chapter with the answer key, in the next video. I hope that you understand this chapter.